Hey guys, this is Candy. Welcome to my channel. I have some goodies from YGWIGS. Let's get into it. We have some hair tools that we will use later, but the main event is their hair, and this is their water wave human hair. This is what the curl pattern looks like, but let's get into the video. I'll give you more details later. So I have my hair freshly washed, and I'm starting by doing some cornrows because we are doing a crochet style today. So I'm doing your basic crochet braid pattern. What do I mean by basic, you may ask? Basic meaning I'm just braiding all of my hair back. The most that you want to pay attention to is the fact that I join all of the braids one into the other, and once I get to the parting I will overlap those two braids, but I will show you guys that later. So yeah, this is my part. Yes, I'm doing a side part for this install. And so I actually braid to the point where I want the part to stop. Then I am going to curve or cross that braid over to the other row and keep braiding all the way till we get to the end of that braid. Yeah. And then once we get to the other side of the part, yeah, so we need 2 rows to create a part. I'm doing the first one. This is the second. And so once I get to the point where I want for the part to stop, I'm going to do the same thing, which is cross that braid over. So the 2 braids will overlap. Then I just continue braiding back as usual. Yes. So once that is complete, I'm on my last row. Yes, by the magic of editing. So yeah, we're just gonna join those few last pieces of braid together. You want to make sure you only have 1 braid left, and voila, the process is done. This is our hair, guys. I already pre-washed them and they dried, and look how beautiful the curl pattern is. So it is the technology where there's the cord in the middle of the crochet hair. This is human hair. Look how easily it separates, and this is what the cord in the middle looks like, and this makes for the most secure crochet install ever. And no more slipping, no more sliding. So we're starting the install process, and what I love also is the fact that you only need to knot the hair once. And the hair is very, very firmly installed. You don't need to worry about it prematurely loosening or unraveling. Yeah, so guys, the process is well underway. And what I'm doing is I just install the hair somewhat in an imaginary line. So yeah, I do it from one ear to the next, row by row, just to make sure that the hair is balanced in terms of the amount being installed, and it's not just being haphazard. So while I continue the install, let me give you guys, because I know you guys are here for the tea. Yes, so the hair, guys, it is water wave, as I mentioned before, 18 inches long, and I did receive 3 packs. Now guys, 3 packs has 6 bundles in total, so each pack has 2 bundles per pack, and so it's more than enough here to complete the style. I did, however, guys, use every last strand because that's just what I do. I do love volume. But guys, if you did not want your hair to be as full or as voluminous as this, then you are sure to use the amount to your liking. But I did use all of them. Yeah. So the color of the hair is natural black, and it literally felt as if there was absolutely nothing on my head. The hair is so light and nice and fluffy, and even with me pre-washing the hair, guys, you guys see how the hair is still well defined. There is no frizzing. The hair didn't swell up. I was still able to enjoy the original curl pattern of this crochet human hair. Yes, so I'm on the last leg. Yeah, you guys, the last few pieces of crochet hair to finish the process, and I believe this is the finished look. Guys, you could go ahead and actually trim your hair down if you wanted. I literally did not take scissors to this look any at all. I am using my comb to tease the front just to make sure that it has a more natural look. And guys, this is it. As I was mentioning before, I did not layer the hair. I feel like it is naturally layered. I did not cut it. And one of the reasons is because I do like to pull my hair up in a ponytail, and I did not want to layer it too much, and then I have issues, when it comes time to style it. Again, guys, I did use all of the hair, yes, in all of the 3 packs, and this is how it looks in the back. It is nice and full to my liking. And yeah, we are going to go ahead and, do the ultimate crochet braid test, which is whether or not the hair can be actually pulled up in a ponytail. That to me is the actual ultimate test. So let us get into that so that we can, make that determination together. Of course, you guys know I am a ponytail or a pin-up girl. So we're pinning up the back, and the back actually does look nice and natural. It does. And so I'm just gonna do a little ponytail in the back with a little bit of hair in the front, loose, and just pin it off just a little bit, so we have just, you guys already know my deal in terms of loving little strands framing the face and whatnot. So this is one option. And as well as I am gonna go ahead and actually try to do a full ponytail, meaning an updo with everything up, everything back. And that also helps to determine if the hair is good quality, and it definitely is, because I was able to do that. There's no bulkiness. You want for the front of your the thing about crochet hair is that why a lot of people don't rock with crochet hair is that the bulk and the bumps and the knots they're not cute at all. So with this thread in the middle, this technology, it makes the hair just lay flatter, look smoother, look nicer, and more natural. So yeah, this is actually a win for me. I actually love it, and I'm just going ahead and playing with some of my favorite styles. And guys, I am absolutely in love. I thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will definitely leave the discount code down below for you guys so that you guys can get some discount, as well as the link to the hair. Yes, guys, thanks again for rocking with me. If you're not yet a subscriber, if you're not a part of the Natural Hairnomics fam, do go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I post. Thank you guys again, and I will definitely catch up with you on my next one. Bye.